My name is Min Nguyen. I am the principal attorney at Nguyen Team Lawyers. We are a boutique trial law firm exclusively for the plaintiffs. I represent someone that I identify with, an immigrant to the United States, someone who's looking for a better life, trying to discover or obtain the American dream. So this case was referred by Arnel Jalbrena. He is a fellow CALA member, and he had this case where a fellow was hit by a car and the defense was disputing liability. The plaintiff was Benjamin Villanueva. He was from the Philippines, but before he came to the United States, he suffered an aneurysm. What happened here was that Mr. Villanueva was coming off the bus, and he was crossing to go home. He had cleared one side of the roadway and had almost reached to the other side when he unfortunately was struck by a car driven by the defendant. On a complex case like this, where you have multiple experts on liability and also experts on damages, it's important that we paint a picture to the jury what happened, right? All these experts are talented in explaining things scientifically or medically, but that's sometimes goes over the head of jurors. Therefore, it's important to use someone like DK Global to paint a picture for the jury. I mean, if you look at the animation, it's Altadena Drive. You see the market on the roadway. You see the lanes. You see the crown of the roadway. You see Mr. Villanueva crossing. You see from the driver's perspective, from his car coming up the roadway, and you could see Mr. Villanueva cross the street, to where as a jury you're watching and he's like, wait, slow down. And because both sides had risk, it led to a settlement. The amount was sufficient to cover all his medical expenses and all his needs for the rest of his life. Justice for injured victims should be based upon the injuries and the harm caused to the victim, not based upon the lawyer or the financial resources of the lawyer. But that's the reality, it's the truth. So I would encourage that if you have a case where it merits an animation and having all the experts, but if you don't have the resources, reach out to a lawyer that does. Reach out to lawyers that can contact DK Global, can get an animation done, can hire all the experts, because ultimately our jobs as plaintiff attorneys is to get full and fair justice for our clients. The great thing about DK Global is you guys are professionals. It's easy working with DK Global. The animation is top notch. I mean, just look at the visual. It doesn't look cartoonish. It looks almost lifelike.